all yours.
Alright, good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning.
Alright, fellow speaker, we have a problem. I want to share with you that online ads are useless. I'll give you a simple example. If let's say today I am representing a company, let's say my boss asked me to source for a leadership speaker, and I don't know anything about maps. I have not met Jonathan, I have not met Johan. So I know no one. So typically what would I do? I will go Google, right? So I will go Google saying the leadership speaker in Malaysia, then Google will show up a list. So people don't come to your website to learn more about you. People come to your website to solve their problem. So at this point, I want to look for a leadership coach because my boss asked me to do so. So I want to go to a website that tell me you are a good leadership coach that can be my speaker and solve my problem, meet my KPI. Make sense? When you do your marketing or your funnel in such a way, you are in a very passive mode. Unless someone sends you an inquiry, otherwise you have no idea what's happened. That's why you are burning money on ads that's not working. Alright, so how do we solve this problem? Right, so I have a simple solution called you want to build a funnel. Lastly, before you invest satu sen pun on online digital marketing, on all the ads, spend some time, plan your funnel. Make Google rich, make Facebook rich. You're not. They are already rich, correct? You make them richer, correct? Number one is easy to do. It's really easy to do. It's inexpensive. And the best part is automated. Thank you very much.